Okay, I'm going to do a little demonstration on uh, rotational inertia. I've got two uh, almost identical yardsticks. One's 40 grams, one's 42 grams, and I'm going to let them drop by rotation, and we should see they should fall about at the same time, at the same rate. Then I'm going to take about 115 grams of Play-Doh, including the case, and put it on the end of one of these and see how that affects its rotation. Well, some people think, well, it's heavier, so it should fall faster. But the truth is that we're studying rotational inertia. So the more mass you put on the end of this, the more inertia it has. So it resists rotating. And we should be able to see that on the little demo. And then I'm going to also show how balancing this yardstick is much easier when the mass is at the top as opposed to holding the mass at the bottom. It's like trying to balance a baseball bat. It's easier to balance it from the handle end than the wide end. Try it sometime. You'll see that it's much easier to balance it if you do it from the handle end. Now let's try to demonstrate show you the floor. I'll go out of the picture because you won't be able to see me. Not fully. Got a dog sensitive to the sound, so he doesn't like the slapping of the wood on the floor. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And you should be able to see that they land it at the same time. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. And they fell at the same time. Now I'm going to take what I measured earlier to be about 115 grams of mass in the Play-Doh. This is just my grandkids' Play-Doh. They'll get it back. And we've got that on there. Let me get my starter stick. And this one should be delayed in rotating. 1, 2, 3. That one looked like they went at the same time. Let's try it again. One, 2, 3. That one I definitely did see that it was delayed. We're going to do it one more time just to be sure. 1, 2, 3. And I don't know if it caught it on the camera, but you could see that it was delayed. Oh, and now I want to show you the balancing act. Let's raise this a bit. Okay. If I balance this from the heavy end on this side, it's not very easy to balance. I mean, I can, but I'm having to compensate a lot. Because there's nothing preventing it from rotating. There's not much rotational inertia at the top. Now let's switch it where the Play-Doh is at the top, and now there's more rotational inertia, and it is a little easier. It is a little easier to rotate. High rotational inertia up here, low rotational inertia here, and it's a lot more unstable, harder to balance. Okay,